An article cost 500 naira yesterday. Today, the cost has risen by 10%, and tomorrow it will fall by 10%. What will the price be tomorrow? Now, this is a very interesting and quite a tricky question. Oftentimes, people will think that the answer is obvious, but let's go through the question, the information provided, and work through the arithmetic till we reach the correct answer. So, writing down everything we've been told and just working through that arithmetic, the original cost is equal to 500 naira. The cost today, after the increase of 10%, the 10% increase, will be equal to 110% of 500 naira. And I'm sure you can see where we got the 110% from. 10% being the 10% increase. So let's do that quick calculation. 110 divided by 100 times 500, and this will give us 550 naira. So we started up with 500 naira. Now we have moved on to 550 naira, representing a 10% increase. Then we are told that tomorrow it's going to fall by 10%. So tomorrow's cost, after a 10% decrease, remember, a 10% increase was 100 plus 10, that is 110%. Therefore, a 10% decrease will be 100 minus 10, which will be 90% of 550 naira. Not 90% of 500, but 90% of 550, because this is the current price that has now reduced by 10%. So let's do that. 90 over 100 times 550. Take out all the zeros. You are left with 55 times 9, which actually gives you 495 naira. Okay, so let's go through this very quickly. Original cost 500 naira as at yesterday. Today it has increased by 10%. Apply 110% on 500. Do the arithmetic. You will get 550. 550 is therefore the current price. It means that tomorrow the price decreases by 10%. A 10% decrease is 100 minus 10, which is 90%. Not 90% of 500, but 90% of 550, which was the current price. And that, when you do the arithmetic, will give you 495 naira.